Hey guys, Carl with Panama City Beach MarineMax. Today I get the privilege of showing you a pre-owned 2020 Grady White 376 Canyon, fresh trade here on the lot. Beautiful boat in that coastal fog. You got the Tomahawk color match engines as well. Let's step aboard and show you what it's got on board. All right guys, starting in the cockpit of this 376. The boat's well known obviously for its beam, very wide beam, very big cockpit. Fish box in the back, live well in the corner transom. Obviously when you're in a Grady, the fish jump in the boat already, so you're doing very well. Live well behind your helm seating here on both sides, and in this specific case, this Grady has a grill in the center. Prep station if you like it to be, and then you got plenty of storage for your fishing. At the helm, 3 seating across. This boat does have the joystick, Raymarine electronics, Raymarine radar. It is outfitted and ready to go. The boat is equipped with a Seakeeper generator, cool fish box, AC downstairs and at the helm. Moving our way forward again to the bow. Large forward facing seating forward of the helm. Of course you got your bow seating as well. You do have the pillar cushions to make this a full lounge when you are ready. Outriggers, the boat again is equipped top notch, ready to go. Give me a shout here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. My name's Carl.